Feminists say that men pursue women aggressively. That some men eve, tease and creep women out way too much.
Ding 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 ding.
And ये सब होता है in some form or the other. Well, just like it doesn't work when men are pursuing us aggressively and creeping us out, it also does not work when we are just sitting and waiting around for the guys we like to ask us out. तो मैंने अपनी एक friend को call किया उससे उसकी dating strategy पूछने के लिए.
I just put up a hot picture on Instagram and wait for the guy I like to DM me.
ये थी उसकी dating strategy. Well, contrary to this, let's look at some awesome example from Indian mythology. So Hidimba को भीम से प्यार हो गया and she totally went after the guy. And पार्वती ने भी सालों की तपस्या करी ताकि लॉर्ड शिवा वुड एक्सेप्ट हर एज हिज वाइफ. अब मैं तुम्हें सालों की तपस्या करने के लिए नहीं बोल रही क्योंकि इतना टाइम किसके पास है, बट एक बार ट्राई करना तो बनता है ना इफ यू रियली लाइक समवन. So why don't enough women ask men out? Is it because बहुत लोग खड़े हैं लाइन में ऑलरेडी चूज करने के लिए, या फिर कोई और रीजन है? Do you think it's not feminine, it's not ladylike, or do you still believe that men like women who play hard to get? Let's hear it from some guys and find out if they think that women who ask men out are too desperate, or what would their reaction be if a girl asked them out.
Hey, I'd be thrilled if a girl asks me out because let's face it, it's not that common and it needs to be encouraged. Especially because it'll take some of the pressure off the boys.
I think it's a great validation, so it'll feel real nice.
Desperate? Definitely not. Instead, I would be really happy and amazed to know that, a girl has approached me.
It's the same with the guys also. Like when you ask someone out, it doesn't mean that you're desperate. You are genuinely interested sometimes.
I think we need to do away with the idea that this is a gendered act.
Whatever the response may be, but there is something really empowering about making the first move. And here's why you should definitely do it. Reason number 1, go after what you want. एक ऐसे वर्ल्ड में जहाँ पे लड़के ही सारी जजमेंट कर रहे होते हैं कि उन्हें कौन सी लड़की पसंद है कौन सी नहीं, एंड लड़कियां सिर्फ उन लड़कों में से चूज कर रही होती है जिन्होंने उन्हें ऑलरेडी चूज किया है. That often leaves women's perceptions and her desires out of the equation. Reason number 2, majority men won't hate it.
Well, I'll be really happy and glad that a girl has asked me out since it's not very common, and I think deep down it's a wish of every guy.
It's always a little flattering when someone asks you out. And by that, of course, I mean कि तुम random लड़कों को street पे जाके harass नहीं करो. That's not our style. Reason number 3, it's a lot of pressure on men. Not every guy is used to flirting. Not every guy is an extrovert. कई लड़कों को express करने में problem होती होगी.
Oh my God. That was flirting?
Also a lot of men might be very busy with their everyday life to figure out your subtle cues.
A grown man worrying about such nonsense? We're in the middle of flying kites?
What is your fear? तुम्हारा डर क्या है? That a guy will reject you and your heart will get crushed into 1,000 pieces. As feminists, we're always talking about how men should handle rejection better, which is true and valid. But हमें भी rejection handle करना सीखना होगा.
What makes it desperate is the annoying persistence at which one person asks the other out, and if that person can't seem to take no for an answer, if they can't seem to get the hint.
We have to understand that no means no, and the person that we've asked out has every right to not be interested in us, even if we are super interested in them. And the last reason is that you will be able to date them faster. And that is the reason why I always tell someone if I like them. जब तुम किसी person को like करते हो तो 2 ही चीजें हो सकती है. या तो वो person भी तुम्हें like करता है and then you guys can start dating, या तो फिर वो तुम्हें reject कर देगा. But don't worry, embrace the rejection and move on. So basically the point is कि लड़कियों को ये समझना चाहिए कि पूरा romantic relationship को initiate करने का workload लड़कों के सर पे डालना is sexist.
तू क्यों चिपकी रहती है जब तक तो मुझसे?
क्योंकि मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.